Idol kong content creator na kilala ko sa mundo, bossing sana ma-shoutout mo ako video sana lang naman sana mapansin mo to boss idol.
Okay, so before I start the video, alam ko mainit yung labanan ngayon sa Olympics. I just wanna give a quick shoutout to my tropa, my bossing, Gian Carl Dagdag. Sana mabuhay ka pa hanggang sa gusto mo, my idol. Bike safe lagi, and sana masungkit mo yung kahit anumang medal yan or champion or first place sa pagbabike mo. Napakagaling mo magbike kung saan ka napapadpad dito sa mundo. Sana mabuhay ka pa hanggang sa gusto mo, and ride safe lagi. Sana magkita na tayo soon, and you know, dito lang ako lagi para sa iyo, and you know, be you. Be yourself. Yun lang naman, and keep safe lagi. Kita-kits tayo soon.
It's Giannis Antetokounmpo versus Santi Aldama. Greece versus Spain. A neck-and-neck battle from the beginning until the end. But in the end, Spain would prevail against Greece, 84-77. In the first quarter, Greece would score 22 points and Spain with 21. Nagkatalo sa second quarter as Spain would outscore Greece 28-13. In the third quarter, however, bumawi ang Greece, scoring 21 with Spain's 13. And in the fourth quarter, Spain would pull it off again, scoring 22 and Greece with 21. For Spain, Santi Aldama of the Memphis Grizzlies led the way with 19 points, 2 fouls, 3 turnovers, 2 blocks, 2 assists, 10 rebounds, shooting 4 out of 4 from the free throw, 3 out of 8 from the 3, and 6 out of 14 from the field goals. On the other hand, for Greece, you know na, Giannis led the way with 24 points, 3 fouls, 4 turnovers, 2 steals, 3 assists, 10 rebounds, 2 out of 4 from the free throw, and 11 out of 15 from the field goals. Will Spain maintain their momentum to the gold medal match? Or will Greece come back from their, I guess, 0-2 na sila sa standings? Abangan ninyo ang iba't ibang Olympic Games sa susunod na araw. Pero yun na muna para sa akin. Peace out, everyone.